Hello, welcome back to another video. This is just a bit of a cheap project. I bought a drone recently and I just wanted a sort of landing pad so to land on if I take it on the grass or anything like that. So until I get one, I thought I'd just make one out of this old foam floor tile. It's 10mm thick. Started off just drawing a straight edge around the edge. I'm just measuring the centre now on each side. I had a rough idea what I was doing, but I didn't really know what I was doing at this point. I was just playing it by ear, basically. Like everything else, I do pretty much. Just doing a little line in the centre of each one. I'm trying to be careful not mark it as well. Just draw a line out now. I think it was about 10 centimetres. All the way around. Just put some masking tape on now because I want to do a line all the way across. Just marking the 10 centimetres down and draw a line all the way across now. Do that on the other side. And same again on the other two sides. Basically drawing a square in the centre. I'm just trying to work out now where I can my measurements for my hexagon. So just mark the equal distances all the way around. Then join them up. They weren't all equal. We'll just did it so it looked roughly. That's that done. Just cutting the masking tape now, just finally, just so I can see my hexagon. And just peeling that tape back. And just went over all the lines again then on the actual mat. Just putting some more masking tape on now, and this will give me the thickness of the border where I want paint on. Do this all the way around. And just drawed all around that inside now, and that gives me the equal distance now of my hexagon. The original plan was to paint it with some enamel paint what I had. I ended up it was dry, so I couldn't use that. So I'm just peeling all the masking tape off now because I've got my actual outline what I need. This is just a design what I found from Google, so just putting some tape over that centre line now. That'll give me the same distance as the hexagon. Did that the other side and all four of them. And just drew around them exactly the same as the hexagon. And peeled the tape off. Right, I'm just trying to do the H now, so I'm just getting some A4 card and just having a look how big I want my H. I decided just on that A4 folded in half. So I'm just messing about now to try and get the right size, what I want and that. And once I was happy, I'd cut all that out. And that's that done. Let's place it in the centre now. And just draw around it with a marker pen. Just so I've got it in this centre. And that was pretty much it for the design really. Just finding the centre by going corner to corner. Got this little piece of hardboard what I cut into a strip. Just drilling a hole at the end, and that'll have a pin, like a drawing pin in the centre of that for hold it in the centre. I'm just marking now where I want my edge because I'm going to do a circle. So just spend a bit of time just try and get as close as I can to the edge. Drill a hole with that, but it wasn't big enough that for the marker pen, so just drilled it a bit bigger there with a taper bit. Putting the drawing pin in the centre. Now just put my marker pen in that hole now and just going round. And that'll give me a perfect circle, that will. Now I did one for the inside as well. But I ended up going thicker, so I did another one on the outside. That's why I've got the 3 there. Now putting a blade now in the same hole. I'm just scoring the mat now and keep going round until I cut through it all, and that'll give me pretty much a perfect cut as well. Just keep going round, bit at a time, but it gives me a perfect cut, that does. Just have to do a bit of a trimming at the edge like that, but it was a good cut. Just trim off on that. So I'm just using this paint now. This is it wasn't the right paint, it was really weak, so that was my plan anyway, but I didn't have any of the paint I wanted, so after a while I didn't carry on with it. I'll just show you a bit what I did. It was just drying too weak. It did need about 3 or 4 coats, so I just lost interest in that. So what I ended up doing is covering all the yellow with masking tape and basically spraying inside with a spray paint, which is a hell of a lot better. I should have done that in the first place, but I didn't have much masking tape, so I didn't think I'd have enough. So just peeling all that off now. I've got a bit of an overspray there, but it's not too bad. Yeah, like I said, I should have done this in the first place. If I'd had enough masking tape, I'd covered it all and just cut the design out. But it's worked okay in the end. And that's pretty much it, really. Just a cheap, simple project. I had the flooring anyway, so, and it saves me drone going on the grass and getting wet if it's ever damp or anything like that. So just got a bit of a footage now of me trying the drone. So its main purpose is just to stop it getting dirty really and damage on the floor, so that's it. Any questions please ask, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.